Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Telegram videos. Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Telegram videos not playing. And here's how it is done. If you're having trouble playing videos on Telegram, whether on iPhone or Android, here is a step-by-step guide to help you fix the issue. 1. Check your internet connection. Open a web browser and search for speed test. Run the speed test to ensure you have fast and stable internet connection, which is essential for streaming videos. 2. Check if Telegram is down. Open your browser and search Is Telegram down? Visit a site like Down Detector to see if there's a spike in reported outages. If so, the issue is likely on Telegram's end. 3. Reinstall Telegram. iPhone example. Go to your iPhone settings, tap General, iPhone storage, find Telegram in the list and offload the app. This clears cache and temporary files. It also ensures you reinstall the latest version of the app. Reopen Telegram. Go back to the chat and try playing the video again. 4. Use Open in option. If the video still doesn't play, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the video. Tap Open in and choose a browser like Google Chrome. If the video is hosted on a third-party platform, example YouTube, it will open in the browser and play from there. And that is everything to know about how to fix Telegram videos not playing. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.